PT Pindad launches 4 new guns. State-owned arms manufacturer PT Pindad has launched 4 new guns: assault gun SS-3, subsonic 5.66mm assault gun SS-2, submachine gun and pistol G2 Premium, all products of its development efforts and innovation. The guns were launched at the Ministry of Defense here on Thursday in the presence of Minister of Defense Ryamizard, Ryacudu, State Enterprises Deputy Minister for Mining Service, Strategic Industries and Media, Fajar Harry Sampurno, a number of high-ranking officials of the military and police forces, a number of defense attaches from friendly countries and board members of the Shooting Association, Perbakin. Pindads President Director Silmy Karim said the 4 guns were the result of serious and unceasing efforts of Pindad. Inputs received from users were also incorporated in product development. Minister Ryamizard stressed that Pindad should always work to stay in the forefront when it comes to producing arms, ammunition or armored vehicles. Pindad's capability to produce high-quality arms equipment is proof that it has responded positively to the government's efforts to attain even better capabilities and become as advanced or even more than the arms industry in other countries, he stated. He also disclosed that the Indonesian Army's team that won the overall champion title, retaining it for the 9th time since 2008, at the Australian Army Skill at Arms meeting AASAM in Pakapunil, Australia, in May 2016, had used arms produced by Pindad. The Indonesian Army also posted achievements at the ASEAN Army Rifle Meet AARM and Brunei International Skill at Arms Meet BISAM. Silmy explained that SS-3 is the upgraded version of SS-2, using 7.62mm caliber ammunition, and is designed as a designated marksman rifle used by forces when high accuracy is needed. The subsonic SS-2, meanwhile, has been specially designed with a silencer and subsonic ammunition of 5.56mm. Thus, it would be appropriate for special operations where silent maneuvering capability is required. Submachine gun 3PM is designed to employ a system of gas shooting with 9mm ammunition. 3PM is fit for close-range combat operations as well as operations to release hostages and for use in urban war. Pistol G2 Premium employs a pistol frame and uses 9mm ammunition with an effective shooting capability range of 25 meters, intended for shooting athletes. It is hoped the new arms products would help users repose even more trust in the products, he added.